Ready? Go. Run, 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 run. Ah! I already know how to get questions. I'm so bad at this. I already know what you're thinking. Who is this guy? Why do you not go by many names? Sub2 Icy, OJ. But for one thing that is sure, I am a top 10 horror game player. Oh my god. Alright. So YouTube, Sub2 Icy, and today we'll be playing Garten of BanBan. I have no idea what this game is about. It looks like a Yo Gabba Gabba wannabe, but we're gonna get straight into it, alright? Okay. New game. For a parent looking for their missing child, time is delicate matter. Click the clock to advance time. By the way, I've never played on PC before, so hey, just stick with me. I'm clicking. Hey, that wasn't scary. Alright, not at all. I was just, hey, content. For a parent. Alright. Oh gosh. Okay. Oh, thank you. You need to interact with objects. Gotcha. Hold shift to sprint. Okay. I'm getting used to it. Hey, I'm a controller player. Alright, so E to interact. Okay, I'm gonna have to get used to this. Can we touch the computers? Nope. Alright. Boots. Did you open the door? Okay. Drone controller? Remote requires 2 batteries, of course. Of course it does. Eat vegetables and fruits to become strong like me. Bro, why is your... Yo. Bro's name is Jumbo Josh. Cafeteria. Alright, so we just collecting batteries. Stinger Flynn says, having many arms allow you to... Right. Stinger Flynn says, having many arms allow me to... Left mouse is easier to... Press left mouse... Right, can I read? Alright. Stinger Flynn says, having many arms allowed me to help a lot of people. Read, Nick! Read! Tip 32. Stinger Flynn says, having many arms allowed me to help a lot more people. There we go. It's a toy. Alright. Wait, what do I do? Wait, yo! Wait, come back. Alright, so I think I aim it right here. Oh. Okay. We're getting somewhere. Or not. Yo, yo, why is he looking like that? Hey, is he? Oh no, 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 bro. Oh, imagine, bro. Yo, imagine you open a door, bro. You see someone looking at you like this. Just okay. We're gonna go close. Close. Can I speak? We're gonna go closer. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna watch these corners. The end is here. Naughty corner. All right. Naughty. We're gonna see who's at this corner right here. And I am okay. Yeah, we're gonna just not go in there. Toy cannot be directed. Can I? I'm gonna just stop. I can't read. I can't read. Toy cannot be directly commanded to break open such a yellow glass. Oh, you already. All right. Bro, dang. Hey, you gotta watch out for this, brother. Yo, this right here is gonna kill me, bro. You can see how you just try to sideswipe my head. Okay. Ooga booga. Caterpillar says ooga booga booga. Ooga booga. All right. There we go. All right. There we go. There we go. Uh, She's carrying your pancreas is my. Yo, what do you mean by that? Can we move these chairs? Gosh, all right. Can we open shelves? I don't think so. Not so, bruh. Are you telling me this whole time we just had to come around it? All right. Oh my gosh. I feel so slow. Come here. Bro, you don't have to hit everything. All right, now hit the button for me though. I said the button. Okay, glasses breaks. Okay. They gave me a defective toy. They gave me a defective drone. This drone is special. Why is it not working? Do I have to break both of the glasses? Wait, why didn't it break before then? Alright, well, um, I'm stuck. Guys, I'm stuck. I don't know what to do. Something's telling me to come in here, but at the same time, like the light is like very, very unpersuasive. Alright, you just gotta get here. Let's board it up. Yeah, we gotta find a light switch. That's a whole nother room. I'm yeah. I'm stuck. You telling me there's no light switches in here? Lights? Yes. Lights! Finally! That's all we had to do, bro. Is that's that bird. I think, bro, that was the bird. That was the bird that was looking. Okay. What do we do now? Apila, bro, why he look like that? Bro, why is this bird's eyes red, bro? Why is yo, this bird is suited. Apila bird mission. Apila bird is unbelievably hung. Can I read? Apila bird mission. Apila bird is unbelievably hungry. Feed it 6 eggs to get your prize. Okay, so now we gotta find 6 eggs. There goes one right here. Okay, so E. There we go. Okay. Hey, look, I'm getting better. Hey, I'm not that bad for a controller player. Why can't I speak today? I am not that bad for a controller player. Can I go down the slide? No. That's unfortunate. Alright, so where's the rest of these eggs at? One. There goes two. Oh, there goes another one right here. 2. Two eggs. There we go, another one right here. 3. Call me an egg hunter. Wait, I can jump this. I didn't even jump at all. Hold on, let me try it again. And go! Ah! There you go. Oh, there's another egg. Where we at? 4, right? 4 eggs? You're counting me. I told you to count. Alright, so 4. I think. I don't. Well, yeah, why would there be an egg here? Right, I think we got all 6. We're gonna count right here. We give it to him. Yo. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Find eggs. Alright, so we're missing one more. We're missing one more. Okay. I'm not gonna say it. Yeah, we all know what we're thinking, right? Yeah, alright. Where is this egg? Why have a feeling it's behind the bird? It's not. Bob, it's closed. Bro! Is that? It was in the slide the whole time. It was in the slide. That's low-key cheating. I can barely see that. I can barely even pick it up. Is there a crouch button? See? No. How would you want me to pick this? I gotta be able to go down the slide then. Push the egg out. Hey, okay. Makes sense. Bird, not bird. I'm calling the drone bird now. Alright, here you go. Gobble this egg. Well, pretty close. Now what? Where's my prize? Claim your reward at the mouth. Yo. I'm not saying anything. Alright. Alright, so it's a key card. So we gotta figure out what key card is for. This could be out of these three. Stop. Bro, stop. No! Okay. This one? Yeah. Come over here. Hit this button right here, bro. Hit the button, bro. There we go. Okay. Hammer. I know exactly what that's what it's gotta be for the app. Gotta be for the cardboard. Gotta be for the boards by the bird. Jeez. Distraction at one. Okay. I don't know why. I thought that bird was gonna be at the door, bro. I was scared. Alright. Alright, yeah, still don't work. Alright. Alright, so yeah, we use. I don't trust you, bro. I don't trust you. I don't trust you. Alright, E. Wow, you're making me jump. Why? It's because I'm. It's because I'm. Alright, there you go. Use space to jump. I kind of figured that out. Emergency stop. I don't know what's down there, but we're not trying not to find out. Okay. Yo, why is there footprints on the wall, bro? That bird's alive. That bird's alive, bro. We let an alive bird gobble our eggs. Pause. But like, bro, there's no way. We both seen him move. Like, what does that say? What does that say? Wait, Shift WASD. All right, what does that say? I have no idea. I have no idea. What was my color? Wait, oh my god. All right, so we gotta go back. I don't remember the colors. All right, I remember two of them colors. All right, I know the bird was that color because it's right there. And he was red. I know he was red. Wait, no. Wait, I don't think he's going. All right, that drone is gonna kill us. All right, so no. Yeah, I think no. She's white. No, but yeah, she was right. She was white. I believe. There we go. Was he purple? I don't know. We gotta go back. We gotta go back. We gotta go back. All right, we're gonna go back. All right, so I know for sure he's red. She's white. He's pink. So we gotta do jellyfish. I'm pretty sure he was orange. I could be wrong. All right, so wasn't he green? I'm gonna leave him as green, and like if I'm wrong, I'm gonna come back and change it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so we just need jellyfish and the finger from Spy Kids. All right. Jellyfish and finger from Spy Kids. All right, we got this. Hey, bro, we got this in the bag, man. All right, it's not that hard. Like I said, bro, I'm a top 10 horror game player, and I'm not 10 or 9 or 8, 7, 6, 5, or 4. So do with that as you will. Alright, so yeah, jellyfish and bird from Spy Kids. Bird from Spy Kids. That bird is that bird is giving me cluster. Alright. Alright, yeah, so he was red. Alright. She was white. Oh, so he was blue. Alright, so he's blue. And the jellyfish was orange, right? Yeah. Yeah, alright, look at me. W memory. Dub memory in the chat. Alright, so we got this. I'm still walking to glass. We're not going to talk about that.
Talk about that.
Wait, no. Hey, what's on the floor? Wait, can we jump right here? Great, alright. I alone. I want to play with the hole. Pause. Bird, but everyone left me. Everyone have party without me. Me. Miss Mason see me, but go. I am scared because hole is loud and my friends screaming it. Bro. Get your mind out the gutter. I'm scared because hole is loud and my friends screaming it, but bird is funny. Okay. Alright, so he was blue. I keep clicking it. Alright, so blue. He was orange. The only reason I say orange, like, of course he's orange, is he reminds me of Darwin for some reason. There we go. Dub. And for that we get another key card. Yo, oh my god. Yo, why? Yo, bro, please. I'm sorry. I don't trust that bird. If he comes, I'm jumping in the hole. No. I'm sorry. It was the only way. 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 It was the only way, man. It was. It's E to be reincarnated. Okay. So I'm guessing we're gonna have to break his ankles. Bro. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Bird. I'm sorry. Alright, look, so he's gonna come to the left. We're gonna go right. Alright. Ready? Go! Run! Ah! Okay. What am I gonna do about this bird? What am I gonna do about this bird? Okay. Alright, before he comes, can I just... I'm stuck. Bro, why is he looking at me like that? Hit him. 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 You can't. You're not gonna. You're not gonna have me. I'm not. No. I'm not. Hit me, bro. He's not eating me like he did them eggs. Alright, but I think I saw a button right here. Alright, so if you just have him hit that. What do you mean no? What do you mean no? Bro, he's coming. He's coming. Bro. E, you're wrong. On. Bro, move. Alright, so he just... Yo, why is he staring at... I'm scared. No! Alright, I spelled. I deserve that. Alright, so he's gonna look at me. Like... Alright, so... Maybe I just stare at it. If I stare at it, he won't... He'll be intimidated. Alright, so if I stare at him, he's gonna be intimidated. And he won't eat me. You feel me? So we're gonna try that. We're just gonna try staring at him. I'm very intimidated. Just stare at him. Stare at him. Don't. Yo. Back up. I will hit you. I said back up. Alright, maybe if I crawl. Maybe I was thinking like if I could crawl on the railing. Alright, if I could crawl on the railing, I could kind of like shake him and get to the end. I died like 4 times, okay. Bro. He has no business being this intimidating. This bird has no business being this intimidating. Guys. Alright. So we're just gonna walk on the railing. We're gonna run. Alright, so he's gonna sit here. Send the bird up. Back up, bro, back up. Please, bird. Bro, you balding flamingo, leave me alone. Alright, so shift, run. E. I was pressing it. I pressed it. Alright, so we plan. I'm gonna run. Once I get past him, I'm gonna jump off, press E, jump on the thing, and ride it to the other side. He'll be stuck over here. Okay. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna beat this bird. Bro, back up. Why are you looking at... He just went past him. Step to the side. Thank you. Run. We're running. E. I jumped off. It wouldn't move. Alright. Bro, this bird is very, very, very intimidating. Step off. Please. Drone, save me. Drone, please. Drone. I fell. bird is... God. Hop off. Hit it. Please. Bird. Drone. Drone. Do it. Drone, what do you mean no? Alright. E. It won't. Oh my God. It won't do it. Oh my God. Right, this drone's the biggest op. Back up, you bald flamingo. Oh, he's gonna hop off. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. He's coming. Drone. This drone's the biggest op, bro. Oh. Yes. No, wait. Ah! Run! I forgot to run. E. Let me out! Bert, please. Sorry, I'm sorry. Alright. Progress. We're making progress. So that matters. Progress. Alright. I don't know how to run because, bro, it's so weird when you're getting chased, bro. You're trying to remember the keyboards. Alright, so Shift, W, ASD is harder than you think. If you're a controller player, if you play PC, I applaud you. This is hard. Look at me. Alright. But this drone's my biggest op, I swear. Hit it. He's coming. He's coming. Please. Hit it. Alright. Why is he not running? Bro, how is he behind me? Guys. God, I'm beating this bird. Cause I'm the biggest bird. Feel me? Alright, so we're just gonna wait. Alright, you're gonna take a step. Alright, hit it. Please. Bro, this bird. This is not. Alright, so, now. Running. Route. I'm sprinting as far as I can. Just run. Out of here, route. Bro. What am I supposed to do? You know, ankle break it. What am I supposed to do? I got this bird. I hate this bird. Bro, this bird, bro. I don't know, bro. Bro, I gave you all my eggs, man. What do you want from me? I am sprinting. Bro, yeah, this bird is fast. E. Oh, he died. That's what you get, bird! Yeah! I was never scared of him, bro. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. Yeah! If he climbs back up there, I'm ending the video. I'm the biggest bird. Try me. Too icy himself. I think it's BanBan's. Okay. Oh, letter. Name Adam Utman. Adam Utman. That's my name. Utman. Class ECD2. Date. What? Oh, October 23rd, 2016. Alright. Destination Metro MD. Gate MB. 40 time 323. I swear, bro. It's like. Wait, hold on. I want to see something. I want to see if that code is really real. Hold up. I'm gonna check for you. So you don't have to. Boom. Yeah, it's real. It's real. I'm gonna read it for you guys. You made it to the Jumbo Josh Lounge. This is where Jumbo Josh and his siblings come to rest. Uninvited guests are typically turned into mush, but you seem to have put a lot of effort into reaching this place. Hereby, you may stay as long as you like. Put on some relaxing music, have some cake, and make some friends. I mean, you got me a cake. You feel me? What type? Wait. What type of cake? Uh, letter. Dear mommy, I am hiding in a room, but I have to fight the monster. It is the only chance to make Clary like me. Monster. Me. Yo. Oh, hey, bro. I'm telling you, that's me right there, man. I just killed that bird. But look, bro, you don't. Hey, PSA, you don't have to do anything for no one to like you, bro. Like if they don't like you, they don't like you, fam. It's fine. You got plenty of fishes in the sea. All right, so and to be honest, I don't know, mate. She ain't even all that to be honest, but yeah, man, you don't have to fight a killer bird. You know, everyone's not OJ, so you don't. You don't even know. Yeah, my nickname's OJ, by the way. Seb, 2IC. Yeah, everyone's not OJ, so you all can't kill giant birds. Cause then you'll be the biggest bird. And if you're the biggest bird, we're gonna have a problem. Cause I'm the biggest bird. For you. Okay. My gosh. Jeez. Okay, we're not. It's not. It's like a truck. We're not. Oh, it's boxes. I don't know why I thought there was a person at the end of that hallway. Yo. There was a person at the end of this hallway, bro, and they started running here. Bro, would have died. Alright, but let me see. Does that unlock? Does that unlock that door? No. I think it open this. No. Mm. gotta probably open this and have to. That's the only thing I can think of. Here we go. Come here. Push this button for me. Little Trump, can you do something for me? There we go. Now we gotta figure out what that did. TV. No. I'm guessing this. Oh, secret room. That's interesting. Please don't tell me someone's gonna be under there. All right, just stand by the door just in case. Okay. Listen. Ooh. I'm about to jump. All right. Too icy, bro. I'm too icy, man. Like, that's all you can do, you know. Just sit back, relax, enjoy the ride down into the deep, dark abyss. You know, it's just yeah, cardboard. Even the cardboard box when it come, bro. Like, all is welcome. Oh, whoa. Okay. There's a well. There's a well. Well down here. Yo, what is that? What is that? Oh my gosh. Yo. Look, I didn't mean. Bro. No comment. Thanks for playing the wishlist sequel here. Alright, guys. That's BanBan, the short little horror game. If you want to see BanBan 2, you know, like and subscribe, hit the comment. Yeah, blah. Hey. Alright, guys. That is Garten of BanBan. If you like the video, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to see any other games you want me to play, make sure to let me know in the comment section. And until next time. All I did was fight a bird, bro.